Smart homeowners collect up to 574% more when they use this government authorized service. That's up to 574% more when homeowners use a public adjusting firm to file their insurance claims, compared to filing it on their own. And that's according to the Office of Program Policy Analysis and Government Accountability. That's the difference between a 3-foot tall doghouse and an 18-foot tall people house. Up to 574% more repairs when homeowners use public adjusters. We're the largest public adjusting firm in the United States. We can go up against the big insurance companies and win big for our clients, because unlike big insurers, we always work for the homeowner's best interest. We all know that fire, wind, and hail can cause a claim, but do you know how to file a claim to the full extent of your rights? We know how because we've seen it time and time again. What about water leaks, accidental damage, and do you know how to spot a claim? We know how because we're pros at it. A small water leak can cause big damage to the value of your home. Homeowners working with their agent often agree to 7 or so items to be repaired. Public adjusters work hard to get your home repaired to the full extent of your policy. We get the work done right. We're experts at helping homeowners defend the value of their home by getting it repaired to the full extent of their insurance policy, so your house doesn't end up looking like a doghouse. Even Fido wants his house repaired, right? No upfront charges. We only get paid when we actually collect for our clients. For free, friendly, confidential information and advice, email info@americasclaimsadjuster.com.